Chicks Watch. This is Sir P. Now today I'm going to show you a video that should open the eyes of every Jamaican, yard and abroad. As you know, it's a risk posting these videos because even when time I talk, right, YouTube have problems with certain things, but this, in my opinion, right, even if them do what they want to do and send them on and send or even shut off comment section, whatever, it's worth it. Jamaicans have to see this. Why Jamaicans have to see this? Because enough people believe say, oh, I just people from Tredegar Park, I just people from Lariston, I just Salt Spring, I just West Kingston. If me just, if me just stay over here so, then me alright. Really? The monster is growing and the plague is spreading. I'm gonna show in a video what happened in the middle of uptown, right out by New Kingston. Remember we already had the big Netflix show, we're going to Trafalgar Road right there, so. Right. I mean that this is by Trafalgar Park, you can see the big building them, the bank them and all them thing there. Watch what happen. Watch how in a split second, your day go from routine to misery. So check this out, right, and then after the video done, I'm going to give you the rest of my commentary. Alright, so see the video for yourself. Now, full disclosure, as you see, the part when pull up in the yard and stop at the vehicle, and then you see the video carry on where him ride out. The part where him actually take the things them from the woman, maybe she lose her phone or bag or documents and all kind of things. I cut out that part because I think YouTube go okay with this. I'm not get no strike or nothing like that, right? And them warning and whatever. But I'm fairly sure that part I'm gonna have an issue with. Right? So I'm gonna take it out. Who knows? Right? Anyway, the video speaks for itself. And even when time him did that take things from the woman, the part them there, you can't really see nothing go on. So it's not like say, you just say him and her did it and then him take the things and him gone. So you don't really see no details. So you don't really miss out on much anyway. And plus the full video on Patreon. Right? But as I say, you don't miss out on much in that section. Let me get back to the commentary. So it look like say, right, I may say look like this is a complete random robbery where you might ride past and just spot the woman and go to spot our phone, spot or something else she have, I don't know, spot our chain, whatever him see, right, you see when him turn back. But him not just turn back. This brother are riding at the woman yard like say him pay bills in there. This brother are riding at the yard like say him pay the light bill, the water bill, right, the floor, right, it look like a him pay the garden have to cut the yard, right. It look like the roof a leak, and him patch. I saw the man riding at the woman yard. When we get the video, I have to answer back like, what actually happened here, sir? Because this can't be a robbery. Man say yes. Take the woman things. This is broad daylight, just call it New Kingston. That is as uptown as it gets. That time at the middle of uptown. If I'm not mistaken, that's a part of the Golden Triangle out by Trafalgar there, so. You can see the big bank in the background. I'm telling you, when Jamaicans who refuse to take this problem serious, Jamaicans who skin off them teeth, when them see crime go on and laugh and say, gunman in Chio, see a gunman there, yeah? That's how a gunman go. Ride in a yard and stick you up at gunpoint and just cut like a feed yard. But on the love gunman, right? These are your idols. Right? Let me say this to the people in Jamaica. I have a video, but I will tell you 5 things every Jamaican in the yard. Go and watch that video. Number of things stand out to me. Not even a single mongrel was in the yard. Not even a Jamaican shepherd, one Jamaican shepherd was in the yard. You see the man riding confident if a little mongrel was there. As him running, we're not even talking about no German shepherd, you know. We don't talk about no big Belgian Malinois. We're talking about just a little mongrel. Would have at least, the bark went back, would at least give her enough time for either run at the house or something. It'll buy her time. Right. The Jamaican shepherd him alerted to danger and buy you time. Right. I guarantee you, if him see 4 legs are run towards him, now he has another problem upon him on. Him riding, calm and collected, no problem. Next thing, even when she spot him, there's not much she could have do anyway. Right. Because it was too late. And again, you have to put this in the context. Which part this happened? She probably had things that not in a million years that would have reached her. And again, it seems so random. Right. Let me say this. Jamaicans, all law-abiding Jamaicans, who have sound mind and body. In order to protect yourself, in order for the people to protect themselves, in order for the people to have a fighting chance against 87 octanes, against criminals like this, let me tell you what the people them need. Every Jamaican needs M&M. I'm not talking about the rapper, and I'm not talking about the candy. I'm talking about Matic and a mongrel. Jamaican law-abiding citizens need a Matic and a mongrel. You know what a Matic, right? Jamaican call Matic handgun. Jamaicans need to have the ability to defend themselves. I bet you say, if when him walk around a carry, him look down the muzzle of a Glock 26, I bet you say, him go back on the bike fast and now him come and fight. This is what you see. The whole home invasion is the greatest, right? It's the greatest breach of privacy and comfort you can ever have. One thing for somebody to be up on the road, you know, but when somebody riding in your yard, you will never feel safe ever again. You will never sleep peaceful ever again when somebody come in your yard. Come to this. Matic and a mongrel. Time to talk about FLA, you know, but time to talk about the governments and the many hurdles Jamaicans have to, you know. I don't know. Complete madness. I know what's the worst thing about this? People at Jamaica yard and abroad, them always ride going at the yard them. It's like 87 have a radar, them always ride going at the yard them. Where them now go back up in the muzzle of a Glock 26. Why them now go back up in a Mass Joe and in Bill? Them always just so happen to get. Them now go back up in the barrel of a shotgun. Legal. Could the man ride going to the woman yard? You see, 87s have a certain degree of confidence. You see, if he lived in a society where he knew the people can defend themselves, right, and the people were armed, before him ride going to the yard, him still don't think about it for around 15 minutes when going there. You see him confidently ride going there. Him ride going there like a somebody send him. Him ride going there like how Uber Eats pull up on you and drop off your food. And you call me, I'ma come. That's how confident. When Uber Eats just pull up at your yard, and so them finally reach. I say man ride going to the woman yard like him a bearer. The man ride going to the woman yard like him is a bearer. Not only should the people be able to protect themselves, but after they have the ability to protect themselves, they need to constantly be vigilant. People of Jamaica don't believe, say, because you live quote unquote uptown, you are immune. That is madness. Let me say, Matic and a mongrel. That's what I live by. I understand we're living in modern times and enough Jamaicans and them sit down and them watch CNN all day and everybody woke now and them watch all, foreign, them hear them favorite celebrities are foreign tell them say, oh, demonize guns and, celebrities who, by the way, have bodyguards who have guns to protect them. Right? I want to start to follow them on top. But yeah, we need right, listen, do your thing, I'll do mine. Right? You can hope for the best. You can, put your faith in a King Alarm or put your faith in a calling police and hope them respond. But that's fine. But as for me and my house, Matic and a mongrel. That needed, man. Man, I wish somebody would ride in my yard. I wish that 87 would ride in my yard to give me a video for make quick and fast. Hell, I might even go live. It could be the first time you ever see. So any day you ever see. So me go live. If you ever see a notification come on your phone, Politics Watch going live, you best believe it's going to be a 87 on the ground. And him bike right beside him. Because I'm going to fling a stone at him. Just so we clear, a stone we're talking about, we're not talking about. No. I'll be flinging various stones, some big stone too. Because of course we don't deal with no weapon thing because I'm just a little YouTuber. But I'm just saying stone, big stone I go fling. And after the big stone connect, double tap on the ground, then you will see for the first time in your life, notification come on your phone. Politics Watch going live. You're going there for a real thing. It will be. Man, I wish somebody would ride in my yard. Matic and a mongrel. Go down. The man go be animal even have dog for spear. Right, go down there, go get yourself one. It doesn't need to be a bad dog. It don't need to be no Malinois. It don't need to be a Canuck horse, so it don't need to be nothing like that. It just needs to be a dog. Right? We're going to alert you. That's what you want. Because as you can see, she live on the next side of the car. So she knows what going on that side. Right? So what the mongrel do, the Jamaican Shepherd. When him sees a biker ride in the yard, dog knows the bike no belong in the yard. Dog start bark. Once dog start bark, what she do? She turn around. So let's say she was armed. Let's say she did have, a little 26 in her waist. Right? The mongrel would have helped her. Just to buy her 2 seconds for she reach feet. Because sometimes those 2 seconds can be the difference between life and death. Get yourself a mongrel. Sorry, the Jamaican Shepherd. If you understand, so them kind of get bossy now, them no want no more mongrel title. Dog, them a protest and a complain, them not like the title of mongrel. They come like how people not like the potty. They not like they call the potty well. They not like a Jamaican Shepherd them name now. Matic and a mongrel. If not, right, as I said, I know the FLA thing, you very likely probably won't get the weapon. But that means you shouldn't put yourself in a position to at least be able to get one and get a fighting chance. Either way, the mongrel, there's no excuse why you shouldn't have a mongrel. Because if you're not going to fight, at least you'll be able to take flight. Right? And the Jamaican Shepherd, again, will help you to take the flight. Whatever one you want to do, whether it's fight or flight, the Jamaican Shepherd will help you out, I'm telling you. Especially if you have 2, 3, 4. Anyway, we don't have big people free for do what they want to do. That's just my opinion. I'm just a little YouTuber who's here to bad mind scammer, artists, lawyers, and make up things to get views. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. The full video, the little clip where I removed it on Patreon, but it's not really, you're not really missing how much as me say anyway. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture Squad, stay circling, bless.